Assalamu alaikum. We're back another Monday. We are here at the Labrador Community Center. As you know, there are 150 homeless people who will be coming over to pick up their meals, right? So now today we have special meal. This meal is sponsored by the Malaysian community in the Gold Coast. And who prepared it? None other than Chef Kam. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Many of you will know Chef Kam is from KopiTalk. Look at that, KopiTalk. They have their branch at the Crestwood.
Crestwood Plaza.
That's right. Okay. Thank you so much for preparing food.
Pleasure.
Okay. So what have you prepared today?
So today's special for this event, we make like one fried noodle called mee goreng.
Yes.
And then we also have like steamed white rice.
Right.
And also with a little bit of Chinese touch, we have the ginger stir fried chicken.
MashaAllah, mashallah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's have a look.
On,
Put this thing in. Let's have a look. Can you have a look?
Yep. See? So this is how we prepare.
Yes. Oh, mashallah.
Here you go.
This is the 5-star diner. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Open it. Yeah, look at this.
Oh,
we have the mee goreng, so we understand that no chilies.
No chili.
No peanuts.
Yes.
Alright, so we make like very nice stir fried chicken and also the mee goreng.
Smells good. Mashallah.
Good and fresh.
I feel like eating it, but look, you see that? Look how it is. Alright, nicely packed. Okay, now I can see people are waiting there.
Okay,
so we got about 100 of them here. 100 here, okay? Come on, have a look. Come.
Yeah. All packed, keep it warm.
Come warm. Yeah.
Yeah, nice container.
Yeah, look at that. All 100. All of them. Okay. Look who we have here. Ember. How are you?
I'm really well, and you?
I'm good, Ember. So as I mentioned earlier, this is sponsored by the Malaysian community in the Gold Coast and cooked by, of course, Chef Kam from KopiTalk. And well, as I mentioned, very shortly we have to go and distribute.
And follow me.
Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, I'll take one. Yeah. So, Chef, this is what happens every Monday. By 5:30, we get ready now. By 5:30, come packed. Yeah, 150 they come. Yeah, and each week we distribute 500 meals. But today they get warm meals. Now we are taking some back to the center to be frozen. So they come during the week.
And Tuesday to Friday.
Yeah.
I have families, individuals come to my office, and they're after anything from a food hamper, some meals, clothing, things to start.
Hello, how are you? Good. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Pasta.
Yeah, pasta.
Pasta. So where shall we keep this stuff? Are they? So here we have all these brothers. Here they are unpacking the stuff. Look. So they brought in. They brought in all this meal. So why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello.
Adam. This boy.
Yeah. This is my son.
He comes to the masjid. I've seen him in the masjid.
Thank you very much for giving the opportunity to us.
Yes,
At least after this, we know where's the place, where's the channel.
That's right. Alhamdulillah, as you know, we do on Mondays.
Okay.
This is a warm meals.
Yep.
And then on Sunday also we do warm meal.
Yeah.
That's for the needy people. They have accommodation, but they have not much money for food. So that's why we go on Sunday. But rest of the week, of course, show the way. Ember, they distribute 500 meals throughout the week. And so whoever can support, please do be part of it. All right. So thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for all the Malaysian community for sponsoring this week's meal. Jazakallah khairan. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Thank you. All right, then carry on with your packing. Alhamdulillah. We just finished distributing the food, the meals, right? And they loved it. And Alhamdulillah, the food was very delicious. And so inshallah, if any of you would like to contribute meals, please do feel to contact me. You can contribute on Mondays to Labrador and on Sundays at Southport. Or during the week you can do the same. You can contact, because during the week will be frozen meals. So on Mondays and on Sundays are the warm meals. All right. So see you next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.